Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can convert quotes to sales invoices on Xero. To convert quote to a sales invoice, we need to go to business section and go to quotes. From here, declined or accepted quotes we will be able to see. So in my case, I have 2 accepted quotes and those have been not invoiced yet. So to convert this quote to an invoice, I need to click on this particular quote, and at the top right corner there is create invoice. From here I can mark this quote as an invoice and click create. As you can see, here is new invoice. Check information and amend details as required. So for example, this invoice is to Lucy. Date you can still change if you wish, and also amend due date if required. Invoice number is automatically generated by system, and reference number will be quote, sales quotes number, so it can be locked together. This invoice can be previewed, and also support documents can be attached by clicking on this icon. You can still change currency if you wish. I will keep to defaulted amount, to defaulted currency, and items can be changed item line if required. If invoice need to be issued purely based on this sales quote, leave all information as it is. We can save as draft, continue editing, or save and submit for approval, or save and add another one. So save and submit for approval is a step what I will take now. And now we are in invoices section. There is one invoice awaiting approval. So when you click on this invoice, which is based on quote number 3, this can be approved. Okay, this invoice has been approved, and when I go to invoice list, awaiting payment, there is invoice based on quote 0003. So this is a way how you can convert quotes to sales invoices on Xero accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.